Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable Alexa voice assistant on this watch. Before we start, if you want to use Alexa voice assistant on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Mi Fitness application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, tap on the device icon to open the device page, and here you should see your Redmi Watch 3 on the device page. Now scroll down, find the option called Amazon Alexa. If you don't see this option right here, you probably selected some region that doesn't support the feature. So if you selected some region and you don't see the option right here, I recommend to go to the profile settings, and here you can change the region by tapping on region and basically changing it. And once you change the region, you should be able to access the settings. Now tap on the Amazon Alexa. Once you see this page, tap on the Login with Amazon button. It will open the browser, and in the browser you will see this page. Now tap on the Get Started, Continue Setup, and then tap on Allow. Basically, you will need to log in into Amazon account. I was already logged in, so I just had to tap on Allow, but it will ask you to log into Amazon account. You need to tap on Allow, and once you allow the permission, it will redirect you to this page. You can tap on Continue, and then you will see this page, and that means that the Alexa is activated. So if you tap on Done, wake up the Alexa on your watch by pressing and holding the side button. It will activate and you can say the command. So for example, we can go back. Tell me a joke. And here we have it. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back. You can also ask again by pressing and holding the side button. Okay, so that's how you enable the Alexa on your watch. To disable it, simply open the app on your phone that is paired with your watch, tap on the device icon, tap on Amazon Alexa, and here tap on the sign out button. Then tap on Continue, and once you log out, you can try to use the Alexa, but it will tell you that you need to activate it. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable Alexa voice assistant on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.